Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Netum Scan 1D 2D barcode scanner. You can use this for any business, retail, online arbitrage with your software, spreadsheets, etc. Just arrived Amazon Prime, so let's go ahead and unbox this. As you can see, there's the model number, model NSL8S, color is black. Open this up. See, comes in the plastic. Here's the actual barcode scanner right here. Looks like it's already powered up. Next you have your micro USB cable. Here is the front for the holder right here. Here is the neck piece that connects to the bottom for your angles. And here is the last and final piece. It's the bottom. So as you see, it goes like this. Here's just screws in. Right here, here's the screw. Here's the bottom right there. And they give you some instructions. It's a thank you note and more information about the company, the warranty. Right here, some test barcodes just to make sure everything is working correctly. As you can see. And thank you, let's see what it says. Thank you from Netum. And they right here said, thank you for the purchase of the product. Let them know how they're doing. So we'll go ahead and hook it up to my laptop so I can get Inventory Lab going and scan all my products and barcodes. So if you guys are looking for a decent scanner, this one has some good reviews. Look it up on Amazon. I'll put the link below. Subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and thanks for watching.